make supplementary pair of angles. Supplementary means if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called as supplementary angles to each other. Okay, do you understand? Note down, children. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called as supplementary angles. Supplementary pair of angles to each other. To each other. For example, take 90, 90. Why? Because 90 plus 90 got 180. That's why 90 plus 90, 90 supplementary angles. 120 degrees, 60 degrees. 120 plus 60 get 180 degrees. Sum is 180. That's why 120 and 60 are supplementary pair of angles. Next, 140, 40 and so on. If angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees, then angle A, angle B are supplementary pair of angles. Here, if angle A is equal to x degrees, we take x degrees. Then find angle B value. Here angle B and angle A and angle B are supplementary pair of angles. That's why angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. We take angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Here angle A value gives, we take x degrees. That's why angle A replace with x. Angle B, we don't know. That's why as it is angle B. We write angle B here. Therefore, angle B is equal to 180. Angle X goes to other side. So, minus X. Angle B value will become 180 minus X. Okay? Do you understand, children? If here angle we take x degrees. This angle will become 180 minus x degrees. If we take here angle value is x degrees, then this angle will become 180 minus x degrees. Okay. Here this is L shape, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. 90, 90 are supplementary pair of angles. Why? Because 90 plus 90 we got 180 degrees. That's why 90, 90 are supplementary pair of angles to each other. Okay. Another example. Here we take 60 and 120. So 60 plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. That's why 60 and 120 angles are supplementary pair of angles to each other. Write down, children. Do you understand? Next, conjugate pair of angles. Conjugate pair of angles. If the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the angles are called as conjugate angles to each other. Do you understand, children? Please write down. If the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the angles are called as conjugate angles. Conjugate pair of angles to each other. For example, 360 are conjugate pair of angles to each other. Why? Because 300 plus 60 got 360. Sum is 360. That's why conjugate pair of angles. 330 and 30. Sum is 360. That's why 330 and 30 degrees conjugate angles to each other. 260 degrees, 100 degrees and so on. If angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degrees, then angle A comma angle B are conjugate pair of angles to each other. Here, if angle A, we take x degrees. Angle A is equal to x degrees. Then find angle B value. We take angle A plus angle B is equal to 360. Why? Because angle A, angle B are conjugate angle to each other. Angles to each other. That's why we take angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Angle A we take X. That's why replace angle A replace with angle X plus here angle B 360 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 360 degrees minus X goes to other side. So, minus X. So, angle B value 360 minus X. Okay. Here, we take X degrees. This angle value is X degrees. And this angle goes to 360 minus X. Okay. Here we take this angle value is X. If X, then this angle will become 360 minus X. Okay. If this angle we take 60 degrees, here angle value 300 degrees. Why? Because 360 conjugate pair of angles. We take 100 degrees. This is a 260 degrees. 260 degrees and 100 degrees. Angles are conjugate pair of angles. Conjugate pair of angles. These are all conjugate pair of angles. Conjugate pair of angles, if the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the angles are called as conjugate pair of angles to each other. Okay. Do you understand, children? Please write down. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you to all.